Hello everyone, this is Team Codex. We are representing our project Herb1 for Smart India Hackathon 2025 under the problem statement Student Innovation under the theme of Heritage and Culture. Our problem statement for today's project is despite of India's rich cultural heritage and traditional knowledge of medicinal plants, most people, especially the younger generation, have limited access to this valuable information. So a purpose solution for this is Herbvana, a virtual herbal garden. It is a web-based platform which makes Herb Ayurveda interactive with users. It makes users to engage through quizzes and many more features which will be explained in a prototype.
Hello everyone, this is a prototype we have built on the Figma. Its name is Havana. First you will see a welcome page where you can know about our website, what is it about. Ayurvedic knowledge hub that connect tradition with technology. You get authentic herbal knowledge here. Then you will get two buttons, get started and login. We will go on the home page. So first on the left side you can see a navigation bar, and on the right side you will see a garden with multiple trees. While you will hover, you will get an information card what the plant is about and its scientific name and its origin. On the right hand side you will get navigation bar. Then secondly, we have AI doctor that you can chat with. It will give remedies and plant information, etc. Whatever you will ask. Then we have community that it is like Twitter. Uh, People can post their thoughts on this, and other people can react and reply to them. Otherwise, there are remedies for various kinds like digestion, skin, hair. We can add features afterwards. So after going on that remedies, you can see the ingredients, its description, what benefits you can have and what precautions you can take. You will get stepwise recipe about the disease. The information card, here you get information about various Ayurvedic plants, and on that, similarly as remedies, you can have plant's name, scientific name, its description with Ayurvedic properties and benefits and various things. There again, we can have history of Ayurveda, where it is started from. We give knowledge to people with Ayurveda having their timelet when Ayurveda was happened, when what happened, everything. Then quiz to make interaction with users. You can see number of quiz you have taken and what is accuracy. And lastly, you will see bookmark what remedies you have saved or which plants you have saved and your profile with small settings. Thank you.
Now we have seen the prototype. We will come towards technical approach. In technical approach, there are following languages we will use. For front end, we are using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and React.js. For backend, we are using PHP and Python. And database, we will store it in MySQL. For version control, we are using Git and GitHub. And APIs which will be required for scanners and chatbot are OpenAI and PlantID. This is a user flow as seen in the prototype. Feasibility and viability. Here, our project has social feasibility where it promotes traditional Ayurvedic knowledge, it gives natural remedies, and also community sharing to share the knowledge you gain with your friends. Technical feasibility. It uses languages which are easily available, which are open source. We are also having AI integration with APIs. In market, there is rising prices for medicines and doctors. So by using natural remedies of our tradition. Economic feasibility. This website is built in low cost due to open source frameworks. Operational feasibility. The platform provides user-friendly interface to engage users. We are added engaging features like quizzes, gardens to stay engaged with you. Impacts and benefits. Benefits for students and learners. Easy education and project. They will get projects information at one place. For general public will use it for remedies and herbal care. For researchers will use this website to get authenticate knowledge and information. For future generation, to preserve our traditional culture of Ayurveda. Impacts. Cultural preservation, awareness and education. Ayurveda history is shown through a timeline so that users can see evolution of Ayurveda from start till now. Accessibility. Herbal knowledge is available anywhere, anytime, just through an internet. Engagement. We are added gamified features for interaction. Research and reference. We are using authenticated information through portals which are authentic and also provided through government. Thank you.